Hey guys, let's talk about something a lot of us deal with but don't often discuss: erectile dysfunction, or ED. If you're here, you've probably heard about Eroxon Gel, the easy-to-use topical gel that's making waves for men dealing with ED. Today, I'll give you pro-level tips to apply Eroxon Gel for the best results. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure your hands and the area of application are clean and dry. Hygiene matters, not just for comfort, but to make sure the gel works exactly as intended. If you've just showered, dry off completely before starting. Now, Eroxon Gel comes in single-use tubes, which makes dosing easy. Snap open a tube and squeeze out all the gel onto your fingertip. Don't be shy, it's designed for one full use. Here's the pro tip. Apply the gel directly to the head of the penis, which is also called the glans. That's where Eroxon works its magic. Gently spread the gel over the entire surface of the glans. Don't rub it in aggressively, just a smooth, even layer is all you need. Once it's on, give it a minute or two. Most men feel a cool, tingling sensation pretty quickly. That's a good sign. It means the gel is starting to work. But everyone's a little different, so don't stress if you don't feel it immediately. While you're waiting, try to relax. Stress and anxiety can make ED worse, so take a few deep breaths or chat with your partner. Remember, the more relaxed you are, the better the results. If you notice any irritation or discomfort, stop and wash off the gel right away. And if you have sensitive skin, it's always smart to do a small patch test first. Here's something people often forget. Eroxon Gel is for external use only. Don't use it with latex condoms unless the packaging says it's compatible, and never apply it to broken or irritated skin. Last tip. Be patient with yourself. It might take a few tries to find what works best for you, and that's totally normal. Talk with your doctor if you have any questions. You're not alone on this journey. So there you go. Quick, simple, and effective. Apply Eroxon Gel like a pro, and take back your confidence. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button for more real talk and practical tips. Thanks for watching.